Welcome back to Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, we continue our discuss today about learning by doing and fun. So fun learning is the learning method can increase the environment good environment. I mean, by learning. And fun learning also can increase knowledge from the best way lah. I mean, and okay, we will continue our discussion today. How about we start from Brother Dafa? What the effective way for you if wanna learning by doing and fun?
Okay, before learning by doing and fun, we must to prepare our mental health.
Oh, mental health. Yes, this is first time.
Because if we don't good at mental health first, our mood will be gone.
Yes.
And then second is if you want to learning by doing fun, you must prepare your schedule. For example, like you set your schedule between your school and then your activity like community activity, and then you arrange all of them and then you put in one. And then third is you must keep stay healthy because without good health, you will not learning like normally.
Oh, yes.
I think that's all.
Okay. Well, from Brother Dafa, the mental health is first. If you want to learning fun, right? Yes. How about you, Brother Wahid?
Okay, talking about
Effective way.
the effective way when we teach about learning by doing fun. So the first, same with Brother Dafa, we have to prepare our keep mental health.
Mental health. Yes.
For the second, so we have to prepare what we want to learn to our student. I learned about the English for young listeners. Especially in the student in elementary school or senior high school and vocational. What is senior school and vocational? So for the first, we teach about such as we teach about the noun. So we teach them like 10 or 20 minutes, and then we play a game like quizzes or Kahoot in the what is in smartphone. It's sangat it's very comfortable in online learning.
Online
learning. So
that's good.
It's menghindari like bored. We after we explain the material, we play the game with to our student. So if the winner, we give it like the appreciation or nilai plus or something like that. Okay, I think it's from.
Okay, from Brother Wahid, as online playing, yes.
Yes.
Online learning. Yeah, online learning. From Brother Yusril.
Can you repeat your question?
Okay, sorry. Effective way for learning by doing and fun.
Yeah, actually, everyone has their own way by learning by doing and fun. But for me, actually, I really comfortable with the method in BPEC. Before we learn, we have an ice breaking.
That's a good.
That's very amazing for me because we create our mood and then we create our spirit. So when we discuss, we can think how to say think huge. Something like that. We can increase our mood in discussion, and also the other way is we can do learning by adventure or a trip.
Adventure.
For example,
Wow.
when we are open recruitment,
Yes.
we learn in a jungle camp. That's a good way to learn because we are like in vacation, but we also learn something.
Yeah.
That's very interesting because we in the good mood, so that's why we can get many knowledge in that position, in that situation. Yeah, good vibes for me.
You enjoy your moment.
Yeah, that's right.
You like adventure, right? You like
Yeah,
adventure.
I'm not the one who totally like, but
Oh.
sometimes I need adventure or
You like
vacation.
to survive yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good from effective way from brother Yusril. Okay, how about Mrs. Tenri?
Yeah, thank you very much. And the effective way for me is the first is the teachers.
Teachers.
Yeah, of course. If who can give us the material is the teachers. So how to increase our mood is from teachers, of course. Yeah, and
The method of teacher?
yeah.
Okay. Yes.
No, I mean that the teachers is like
what?
Before come to class, before we starting class is like happy for what's like spirit first.
Oh, spirit.
Yeah.
Your favorite teacher?
No, I mean the
What?
I mean the teachers when who come to class
Oh, okay.
is like I mean that the first also is like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know
You
right?
like teacher. You
Yeah.
like teacher. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
and-
the point.
Yeah, that's the point.
I got it.
And also when we learn like teachers I mean combine with the games combine with the games when we have subject
Yes.
but we can learn about we can learn the material from also practice in the games like that. So
Yeah.
it's like increasing also our the inside our mood
Inside.
also
Yeah.
from the games.
Same me too. I'm always I like teacher. Always bring the happiness in my
Yeah,
class.
yeah,
Not
yeah.
only just theory,
Yeah.
and that's boring. I like this.
Yeah.
That's
all,
good
yeah.
from effective way from Mrs. Tenri. How about Mrs. Firda?
Okay, actually, my own way to learning by doing and fun. The first one is I should make my mood is good.
Oh,
Yeah, so I
same with
should-
Brother Dafa said
Yeah.
before.
Yeah.
Brother Dafa?
No.
Oh, mental health.
Yusril.
Oh, Yusril.
Yeah.
I
And the
forget.
second one, I should find the cozy atmosphere, like
Oh,
suasana
cozy,
nyaman.
yes.
Yeah. And then the third one is learning by practice. Because if we don't practice and we only learning, we only read, and we
Yes.
don't practice, I think it's like tidak ada apa-apanya.
Yes,
Yeah,
there is-
useless.
Yes.
And then the fourth is study regularly but not for long. I mean like belajar dengan no regularly what? Yeah, continue but tidak untuk lama dalam waktu lama because it's makes our brain boring and also
Yes.
our
It's totally boring.
also bad mood also then we cannot understand, we cannot accept the material, the old material. So I should make the first, maybe I should make my brain fresh. Yeah, so
Okay.
that's all.
Yeah. Fresh brain.
Yeah,
I mean.
fresh brain.
That's make me like a good mood also.
Yeah.
And then so you like a teacher always make fun in your class.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the important thing.
Yeah. This is the way to learning fun.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good from Mrs. Firda. Okay, next question for Brother Dafa. Back to Brother Dafa. Okay. How to create an atmosphere of learning by doing and fun. Yes, how to create atmosphere
Mm,
by learning, doing, and fun.
so, okay, for create the atmosphere, we need a friends.
Yes.
Don't learning by doing by doing yourself. You need friends to accompany you, and also teachers. So, for example, in one class there are four, 40 students.
14?
Yeah, for example.
Wow. Oh, example.
40 student, and then there is board teacher, and then the atmosphere in one class is just like bad. It's very not good atmosphere because the student is very bored. Yeah, we already know about that, and create the atmosphere. It means that we must try harder thinking what how to collect the how do I say that? Collect the oh my
Collect-
God,
But just tell us.
yeah. Okay, for the creative atmosphere, yeah, we need like we need a practice also.
Practice.
Yeah, practice.
Yes.
For example, in BPEC, yeah.
Yes,
it's like
BPEC example, the best example.
Yeah, because it's BPEC, like always practice,
Yes.
not only just giving theory,
Yes.
without practice. Okay, like for example, small discussion in BPEC. So we can. There is one leader who handled the discussion, and then he or she tried to get vibes, like good vibes, so the listener of the discussion will increase their spirit to talk much, not only like just give their opinion, blah blah blah, and then stop.
Yeah.
There's no explanation. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay. Well, from Brother David said that BPC always bring the positive vibes. You want to learning by doing and fun. How about Brother Wahid? I want to remember your name
Wahid, yes.
again.
About how to make can you repeat your question?
How to create an atmosphere of learning by doing and fun.
Okay, how to create the atmosphere in learning by doing and fun. So yeah, for the first, yeah, we have to prepare ourselves like mental, our material, and then we have to be the friendly teacher.
Friendly.
Yeah, friendly teacher to
Yes, of course.
our student. So don't be the first teacher. So we have to take their heart.
Hurt?
Yeah, their heart.
Hurt.
Take their heart. Ambil
Okay.
hatinya.
Take the hurt
Take their heart.
first.
To be their friends. So yeah, and then yeah. After taking their hair, so we can
Oh,
teach
so
them.
sweet.
No, just kita ambil lapis supaya
Yes.
mereka mudah untuk teach them about our
Oh.
material. Yeah,
Yes,
we
make it easier.
make it
from
easy. We make like a game.
Oh, yeah.
Like in BPC when before
BPC.
yeah. Before we doing the discussion or debating, we like the ice breaking, like a game.
Yes, as breaking.
like
This is
it's breaking.
also the way learning
Yeah.
by doing and fun. in
Learning by
BPC.
doing fun.
Yes.
Yeah, insist on playing fun. We got the new knowledge.
Nah,
Yeah,
knowledge.
New knowledge. Yeah, I think that's all.